Don't be deceived into thinking that working out from a chair is not really working out. It's all a matter of what you put into it. And today, we are bringing the power of the Japanese 3x3 interval walk to our chairs. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome. So if you've been following me, you know that I have recently introduced the research-backed method of walking called the Japanese 3x3 interval training that's done in the standing position. I thought, okay, for those of us that, for whatever reason, can't do these exercises standing, why not bring the same thing to our chair, which is exactly what we are doing. I took one of those exercises and I transformed it to a seated version. So before we get started, guys, just a couple of form tips. One of the things that I need you to be mindful of when you are doing exercises from the seated position, it is very easy to slouch, okay? When you do that, all right, your spine is not being supported properly. So one of the things that you want to do is to make sure that you sit upright and pull that belly button back towards your spine. And again, that will keep the spine straight and support your lower back. Very, very important. And another thing to be mindful of, we carry a lot of stress in our shoulders. So before we get started here, what you can do, okay, take a deep breath in. And as you do that, lift the shoulders up, roll them back, let that breath out as you lower the shoulders. And then you can feel that tension being released. And it also, once again, helps with the form. So today, we are using weights, but if you are not yet ready for weights this week, okay, consistency, you will be. You're not yet ready for weights, just put them down and just use your own body resistance. And also, last thing, keep some water handy so that we can stay hydrated throughout this exercise segment, you guys. So if you're ready to work, then so am I. All right, you guys, we are going to march it out. And for the first minute of this 3-minute normal walking segment, we're just going to keep our arms stationary. Remember that posture. One of the things that I love about a seated workout is that you can really feel the activation of these core muscles, which means that we are getting more bang for our buck. All right, guys, add in the hammer curl. Okay, both arms up and take them down and take them up and back down. You got it. Last one. Arms are stationary. Get ready to bring these hammer curls back in and take it to the left and then to the right. Both arms up, you guys. And back down. Nice work. In about 10 seconds, we're going to get into our first brisk walking segment. Arms stay down. Get ready to put these weights on these thighs, you guys. Extra resistance. You feel the burn? I told you. Exercise from a chair, it's no joke. Now get ready for transition to something different. See that? Arms up, knees up, right, left. And where are those abs, you guys? Yes, they're in. Arms down. Weights on these thighs. Get ready to bring these weights back up. It's one thing to keep in mind to you guys. It is definitely important to diversify your workouts. That way your body does not get adapted to what you're doing, which means that you won't experience the growth that you can if you're constantly changing the way you exercise. Arms down. You guys, I am sweating. Weights on these thighs. Weights up. And weights back down. How are you doing, you guys? Leave in the comments and let me know. Weights on the thighs. Weights up. And just like that, you guys, we are at the end of the brisk walk segment. Okay, weights down. Nice. And this is our recovery period. And we definitely need it after that. And also keep in mind, you guys, if you need a water break, press pause and do exactly that. They add in the hammer curls. Okay, both arms together and bring it up, 3, 2, 1. And bring it down, 3, 2, 1. And back up. You got it. Arm stationary. And 4, 3, and back to those curls. All right, you guys, both arms up. And back down. Nice work. Let's do it again. And take it up. Arms are stationary. Hammer curls to the left and to the right. You guys, these thighs are on fire. Leave in the comments and let me know how you feel about it. Both arms up. Brisk walk coming up. These weights on these thighs, you guys. Arms come up. Left, right knee come up. Arms down. And you can move your head. Get into it, you guys. This is your workout. Make it your own kind of special. Weights on these thighs. Bring these arms up. Arms back down. And you know what's next. Yes. Arms down. Weights on these sides. And 4, 3, 2, weights up. Weights back down, you guys. Excellent work. We're getting ready to finish things off with our recovery. 3-minute walk. Nice work. Adding these hammer curls. All right, both arms up, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take it back, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this again, you guys. Arms are stationary. You guys, we are going to need a cool down and stretch after this. So please do check out some options in my description as well as that card above. Hammer curls, add them back in. And I'm sure by now you feel that heart rate has come back down. Both arms up and back down. That's my opportunity to sing to you guys. Please don't mute it. Let's repeat this. Stationary arms. I should have put a disclaimer out there, listening at your own risk. My singing is horrendous, you guys. But you know what? I'm gonna sing anyway. You get to a certain age, okay? And you say, I really don't care. And you're gonna do it. Arms up. Okay, both arms up and back down. And take it up and back down. Keep it right here, you guys. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent work. This workout is complete. Just that quick, you guys. And you know why it went by so fast? Because we really enjoyed ourselves and we did it together as a community. So please do leave in the comments. Let me know how you feel about it. And another thing, you guys, I'm always talking about, making sure, okay, that you are consistent with your workout. So that way you continue to improve as time goes on. So this workout, if you felt that this was easy for you, then what you do is you extend the time. Okay, extend the number of cycles. Each cycle is 3 by 3. 3 normal pace, 3 brisk pace. Just increase those cycles by pressing repeat on this workout. If you want more, okay, of an extended time workout, just let me know by leaving in the comments, and I am here for it. Standing in or sitting, you guys. This is our community. I'm here to serve you guys and to do what my community needs me to do. So please do let me know in the comments. And as I always say, exercise is only one part of the equation. Make sure that you stay hydrated throughout the day and also eat nutrient-rich, high-protein foods. And if you need some examples, I've got some links in my description of some recipes that are simple, easy, delicious, and oh so healthy, you guys. So check that out as well. A full spectrum community is this. And speaking of community, please do share this video with those that you think will benefit from what we are doing here. And also, you guys, do me the honor of subscribing to my channel if you've not yet done so before, because your subscription means a lot to me and it goes a long way in support of what I am doing here on this channel. And I want to thank you all for the same. So having said that, you guys, I am going to continue on with this wonderful day. Like I said, this was intense. My whole body, okay, is on fire. And that is a good thing because my body knows that I showed up for me so that we can make the next chapter of our lives, the best chapter of our lives, which is exactly what I want to impart to you. So having said that, you guys, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you guys right here real soon. And thanks for joining us. Love you guys.